Hello, friends. This is Sandy, and this video is going to walk you through my everyday you and me 8-page workshop. So I took Stampin' Up's Everyday You and Me scrapbooking kit, added some stuff, and made it my own. And everything, if you get my kit, everything's been cut for you. So there's a sheet of what the project looks like and how to find it. There's no stamping. All you need is adhesive, scissors, a sanding block, water bottle, and your choice of markers. And then I list all the markers that I've used. I list all the different supplies that I use to create your kit. You also in here have Stampin' Up's version of their project. So theirs was a 6-page, mine's an 8-page. I took their ideas and just kind of improvised and went from there. You've got a little bit of these gems. This is from the City Sites card making kit, and I really liked them, so I carried them over into this. And then you can go ahead and start punching all of those pieces out. You've got some punch outs here. So this is 2 different pieces. You're just going to punch those out, this whole sheet of punch outs. And then you've got a piece or a bit of sticker, right? So there's a whole sheet of stickers. And then we're going to get right into the project. So you've got a couple of pieces that you're going to need to pull out to do some technique with. So this long piece here and these 2 strips here, you're going to pull these out. And what we're going to do is spray them down with water. So spritz them really good, crinkle them up into a ball. You've seen me do this several times, and then flatten it out and let it dry. So you're going to do this right now and set it aside and maybe even hit pause. So crinkle it up, water it down, crinkle it up, flatten it back out and set it aside. When it's dry, not until it's dry, I took a sanding block and just kind of sanded over top so that the parts that are bumped up have some of that white core showing. Same thing on these 2 here. So it just creates that texture. Now, if you decide you don't want to do that and it's fine if it's just straight and flat, then here we go. Okay. So you've got those pieces. This page is really simple to lay out, right? So you're going to start with one of these pieces here. This piece goes here, then this crinkled piece goes here, then this. Then you're going to lay this frame on top of that, right? So that you still get that full framed look. Your 2 photos and then embellish. So let me pull this close so you can see. I just used markers to color these the colors that I wanted them to be. Add some of your stickers and that one's done. This one, you're starting again with that base here. Add that punch out from the middle of that frame. And we've got 3 photo mats, some stickers, add your embellishments. Again, let me bring that close so you can see colored. These with the blue, and then these ones I did kind of with a yellowish brown. So that gets us through the top of this. Our next set of pages. All right, so we're going to take, you've got those 2 pieces from the beginning that we did this fun technique to. Lay those both on top of here so that they are just a smidgen, like 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch down from the edge of the white. So you can see the white on the top and the bottom of that white piece. That goes 1 inch up from the bottom. The floral goes above that. You've got your 3 photo mats. Add your stickers and your embellishments. And your stickers and embellishments, you certainly can zoom into my pages and do them exactly like I do, or just play and have fun with it. Totally up to you. But you've got, and if you need help finding them, let me know. You've got access to the photos, the up close photos on these. So this one works the same way, 1 inch up, line it up. I would take your 2 pages, really, take those 2 pages and just line it up so you can get that to go all the way across. That one goes on top of there. And then this piece here sits right on top, like above the floral, and this one is above the floral so that that whole thing there lines right up. Got some banner stickers, some stickers up there, some stickers down here. This is one of those punch out pieces, and do some layering. Then we're going into, let me make sure I keep these in the right order. All right, so with this, you've got these 4 pieces that are each going to get ripped. Now, you're going to want to rip if you decide you want to rip. Now, I understand some of you may go, no way, Jose, and that's fine. But watch which way your leaves are going, because you want your leaves to be going up, not down, right? You don't want our leaves to be droopy down. So I tore along the bottom of both of these, and I tore along one side of these, and just, this is 3/4 or a half of an inch down from the top. Then I put that piece down, tuck this, don't tape this down here until you get that white piece right where you want it to go. Then once you have one done, use those measurements so that you can line up, right? You want to make sure these two line up right there. So kind of tear how you need to so that that all flows really nicely for you. Then add your photo mats and your fun embellishments. I love it. I think it's really fun. And this one, I didn't do any of that, tearing, ripping, with the water. And on to our last set of pages for this project. I love this paper right here that's got all the cascading, that cascading look. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we've got 2 pieces of paper. One's white and one is colored. So the colored one, the one that's all colored, is going to be this page here, because you see it everywhere. This one is the one where you're going to attach the white like that. And then get all my little circles out of the way for a minute. And we've got this one and this one. Then these 2 here are stickers from that sticker sheet. That'll go right in the middle there. This piece here. This one's a sticker. That's paper. You've got your photo wells. And then place all your circles. The circles are now part of that embellishment that you're doing. This, let me bring this flower up close so you can see. I colored part of it blue and part of it green. Same thing on the other one. Part of it blue, the rest of it's green. But otherwise, very simple layout to do, right? It's not, these aren't hard pages. They're actually really fun, easy to put together. The only trick is coloring those embellishments if you decide you want to. I hope you enjoy it. I'd love to see a comment. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, friends.